At the beginning, Genesis 1 says Adam and Eve were created in the very image of God. In Genesis 2, God tells Adam to never eat fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Adam and Eve do eat the forbidden fruit, and in Genesis 3, they are banished from the Garden of Eden. Son Cain murders his brother Abel in Genesis 4. In accordance with God's command to be fruitful and multiply, Adam and Eve's offspring number in the hundreds of thousands, as represented by the genealogy of 10 generations in Genesis 5. But God has become sorry He ever made mankind in Genesis 6, and decides to destroy all except the family of 8 of one man, that era's only blameless one. What went so horribly wrong in the past? And what glorious hope is in the future? This story fully begins when we dismiss the child's fairy tale and embrace Noah's Ark as truth. Bible stories for adults.